In today's guide, I'm going to teach you how to connect to your Hostinger Minecraft server in just a few minutes. The process is simple, beginner-friendly, and perfect if you're excited to get your Minecraft world running smoothly. So let's get straight into it. First, head over to Hostinger's main website. Hostinger is widely used for hosting websites, cloud services, and game servers, and it provides solid performance for Minecraft hosting. Once you're on the homepage, locate the login button in the top right corner and sign in to your account. After logging in, navigate to the Hostinger Marketplace. This is where you'll find everything from website tools to game server features. Click on the Marketplace tab and then click on All Products. This will open a full list of services available to you. From here, search for Game Panel Hosting. This feature lets you operate your Minecraft server using a clean, centralized dashboard where you can manage files, add plugins, adjust server versions, and keep an eye on performance. Once you've found Game Panel Hosting, click on Explore. This page gives you more information about what the panel includes, such as mod support, console access, FTP tools, and monitoring features that help you keep your server running efficiently. It's a great way to understand the tools you'll be using. After that, go ahead and click on Add New Game Panel. This begins the setup for your Minecraft server environment. Hostinger will automatically start creating your panel, and after a moment, you'll be able to open it. Inside the panel, you can configure your server settings, upload worlds, set player limits, and choose your preferred Minecraft version, Java or Bedrock depending on your subscription. You can also restart, stop, or reinstall the server if needed. Once everything is set up, you'll see your server's IP address and port number. Copy that information, open Minecraft, go to multiplayer, click Add Server, paste the details, and join your world. It's that easy. If anything goes wrong, Hostinger's support team is available to help with setup issues, connection problems, or server optimization tips. Once connected, you're ready to play with friends, build massive projects, or explore with any mods you decide to add. Enjoy your new server and happy gaming.